Well, it's been a while since I've given you a video update, and even though construction has taken place in the parish hall, just the excitement of being in the nave and in the admin wing has prevented me from giving you a tour of our space in construction. So this is the parish hall. The sheetrock is up, so the electrical work and the plumbing is done. You can see the space. I hesitate to call them French doors because of the metal framing, but for lack of a better word, we have two French doors that exit onto the patio that really extend the parish hall space into outdoor areas when the weather is suitable. When you move into here, this is the principal storage area for the parish hall. We're always at a poverty for storage space. So a little bit further down the line, we have another room that will serve as a fifth classroom. Nothing really remarkable other than the fact that it has a lot of natural light. And then we move down here. This will be the bathroom area. So bathrooms in here. It will not come with the vertical lift. There's a custodial closet here, a little larger than the one that's in the admin wing, and then the other bathroom gets a little bit dark back here since we don't have any light. Then moving back out, we have the entrance from the south side, some extra parking on that side that you may or may not have seen, and then the kitchen, the long-awaited kitchen. So I know you won't be able to tell the size of this space. So let me just say that the kitchen, probably, the former kitchen was probably only that large, from that wall to the outside wall of the parish hall, and probably the 18 feet from where I'm standing to the wall in front of me. So we have all of this space that will hold the new range and refrigerator and freezer and counter space. And then we have this very nice pantry, walk-in pantry for dry storage. So our plan is that by December this will all be done, maybe even earlier if we're fortunate, and look forward to being able to gather here once we get the COVID virus behind us. We can have festive gatherings in this space, celebrations of our life in Christ. So this is where we're at. I'm proud to present it to you. Something more to look forward to as we continue to gather in Christ's name to celebrate the ministry that we have and the grace that has been bestowed upon us. So have to imagine all of the work materials absent and filled with happy people. God's grace be with you. The peace of the Lord be always with you.